Good morning, class. Welcome back to our online class again. So, how are you today, everyone? Great job. So, I hope that you are fine. So, today, before we start our lesson, let me inform you that regarding how to protect yourself from COVID-19, right? Okay, so as you know already, now in our country, we increase a lot of COVID-19. So, we need to protect ourselves. When you go outside, don't forget to wear your mask and wash your hand, right? Okay, so right now let's prepare your material right now and we will start our lesson. So today is Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021, and today for the first session we are going to study our book is Listening Starter 1. So please prepare your book right now. And today we'll continue our new lesson that we talk about Unit 8. Weekends are fun, right? On page 52. So everyone, please open your book right now. And here is our whiteboard for today. But before we start our new lesson, teacher has 3 questions to ask you. So you need to answer these 3 questions into your notebook. That in these 3 questions is related with your weekend, right? Okay, so the first one is, what are the activities that you like to do every weekend? So as you know already, every weekend, what is the activity that you like to do? Example, every weekend you like to watch a movie, or every weekend you like to play tennis with your brother or your sister. So you need to answer my question that what are the activity that you like to do every weekend? And number 2 is, what fun thing did you do? You know what fun thing did you do, everyone? Great. So it's related with the activity that you do. So, and number 3 is, how was your weekend? So how was your weekend? Is excited, is happy, or is wonderful? So you need to answer this question for teacher, and don't forget when finished, please take a photo and send it to teacher in personal telegram. So now let's move to our whiteboard for today, and today teacher have vocabulary word for you also. The teacher has 6 vocabulary. That the first one is river, number 2 fishing, number 3 bicycle, number 4 mountain, number 5 skiing, and number 6 hiking. So right now let me explain to you regarding with our definition of our word. So now let's look at our definition all together. So river is a large natural stream of the water flowing in a channel to the sea, lake, or another river. Fishing is the activity to catching fish either for food or as a sport. So when we have free time, some people they like to go to fishing because they want to catch the fish for their food, or sometimes they think that fishing is very fun for them, right? Okay, number 3, bicycle. So bicycle is a two-wheel vehicle that you sit on and move by turning to the 2 pedals, right? That you can use your bicycle right now to do the exercise. Mountain is a very high area of the land with a steep side, right? And number 5, skiing, the activity or sport of moving a ski. And number 6, hiking. Hiking is the activity of going for long walks, especially across the country. So I hope that you understand our definition of our word. But teacher want you to clear more regarding with our word for today. So now let's look at the example in here. The teacher have picture for you, so you need to guess the word. So the first picture is river, right? Good. And the second picture is skiing. The third picture is mountain. And the fourth picture is hiking, right? And 2 boys is sitting that they are doing fishing, and the last one is bicycle, right? Okay, so I hope that you understand our vocabulary well for today, that we have 6 words regarding with our new lesson for today. So right now let's move to our practice in our book. So the first one, you need to find the word and number them in the picture. So here we have number 1 until number 6, that we have 6 words that you learned it already, that we have river, fishing, bicycle, mountain skiing, and hiking, right? So the first one you can see in here, the boy is playing skiing, right? And he is biking. So he used a bicycle, right? And two men in here is fishing. So this one is number 2. And this one they are hiking, right? And you can see at the back is the mountain, right? Okay, so I hope that you can put the number in the correct picture in here. And right now let's move to B. You need to match the expression, listen and check your answer. So right now teacher will provide you the listening track 29 and you need to listen carefully, and after that you need to match the question to the correct answer, that we have A, B or C. So now let's start.
Unit 8. Weekends are fun. B. Match the expressions. Listen and check your answers. 1.
How was your weekend?
It was fun but very busy. 2.
What fun things did you do?
We went hiking in the mountains. 3.
What else did you do?
We also went fishing in the river.
Okay everyone, so I know that you finished our listening track already, right? So now let's have teacher to answer this question. So number 1, how was your weekend? So we need to match two letters. A, right? It was fun, but very busy, right? Okay, number 2, what fun things did you do? A, B, or C? Good job, everyone. It's letter C. We went hiking in the mountains. Number 3, what else did you do? Match to letter B. We also went fishing in the river. So here is our exercise that we complete already. So how is your answer, everyone? Good. So I hope that your answer is correct. The same my answer also. So now it's time for our first session. And you can have a break time right now and we will later and see you again for second session. Goodbye everyone and